We got a mess on our hands. Just kidding. It's not too bad. We just got a little carried away this weekend and did some detailing. More detailing. So all the detailing stuff is out and about. Got to tidy that up before we can focus on today's activities. But looking like it should be a good day. It's a little overcast. It's nice and cool. It's like 16 degrees out right now. Beautiful weather. Could not ask for a better day for filming, honestly. It's not bloody hot. You're not cooking your huevos off, so I'm pretty satisfied with that. Can't complain. It's a good day. Beautiful day. God bless y'all. Let's get to it. I'm not normally a messy guy, but when you got multiple projects on the go, it just kind of gets away from you sometimes. And me being me, got 30 projects going all the time, and not always giving each one the attention it deserves or needs, but something we're working towards getting a little bit better. Like the trusty dusty fishing rod. Plop her up there for now. Cleaning solutions. Okay, what else? Yeah, we got some old school Motocraft glass cleaner. The glass cleaner. The glass cleaner car light. The stuff works phenomenal for probably being, I don't know, 20 some odd years old already. Very, very impressed. They should have kept going with it. It's a good product and it works very well. This little grinder, just an Amazon purchase. Just a little, tiny little Bosch GW S845. It's a torquey little beast. If you're looking for a good grinder but you don't want something that's going to tear your arm off, this would be the one. It's I don't know where to put it. It's very good. It's powerful and it doesn't bog down if you really put your weight into it. So that's a big plus when it comes to the ankle grinders. Because the last shop I worked at, they religiously used either the battery powered or the corded Milwaukee grinders, just the standard size, and those are fucking shit. Like, you could be hard grinding for a day straight and then the next day just garbage. You'll burn it out within a half hour. And maybe some of you have had better experience with those Milwaukees than I have, but from my own personal experience, Milwaukee grinders are fucking shit. Unpopular opinion. So, deal with it. We'll clean up that back room yet too, but I'm not gonna show you guys that yet. It might get me banned from YouTube or something. Yeah, just getting tidied up so that we can start on today's projects. Oh, here's my failed exhaust pipe. The only reason it failed was because I drilled these holes in the wrong spot. And you'd think for a manifold, yeah, let's put the holes in the right spot, but no, I did not. That's the sound that idea made when it came out of my mouth. Almost ready to go. Just gotta gather up all these little parts and pieces from the tiller. Can't lose any of those because we plan on putting it back together and giving it away to one of you guys. It's a little. It's a bit unorthodox, but I think the lucky winner is gonna fucking enjoy the shit out of a single cylinder straight pipe Tecumseh tiller. It's gonna be rad. Okay. These go here. And when I say tidy up, I don't really mean that I'm cleaning up. I just mean I'm moving stuff out of my line of sight so that new ideas and new things can get created and come to life, because with messy ass workspace, it's a little hard. But we're getting there. Some more tiller parts. Yeah. Oh, these two. Alright. I think we're ready. So today, guys, we are gonna be getting Mr. Rock Tumbler going. This is the legal electric rock tumbler. It is a dual 3-pound canister rock tumbler, and yeah, gonna see how she works. This is the first time putting her to use, so we'll show you guys all the cute little rocks we got, and yeah, and we'll give you a rundown how she works. It's pretty simple. We got all the media and all that stuff ready to go, so let's collect some rocks and get to work. Tumble rocks, we're gonna tumble some rocks. It's been probably 10 years since I've done rock tumbling, so I'm really hoping we can find a healthy number of beautiful stones, and we'll polish them up for you guys. This is, some of you, this might be childish. Some of you, this might not be childish. I find it quite satisfying. So, if you don't like it, move on. Eat a dick. Don't care. Gonna tumble. Time to tumble some rocks. We got our canisters ready here. Got our motor. We got our grit packs and our media. And we got our stones, our box full of stoners. Let's see if we can get any of these out. So we got some pretty cute rocks in here. Of course, they'll look better polished, but yeah, some pretty good looking stones in here. Let's get to work. Alrighty, let's get these rocks loaded up. We got some bigger ones, medium-sized ones, and some smaller ones. The maximum weight per canister is 3 pounds with water and media and rocks, everything included. 3 pounds max. So we will try to fill the canisters probably about halfway, a little more than half. And then we'll put in about a half teaspoon, or sorry, 2 tablespoons of the step 1 course from National Geographic. And then we will get cooking. So let's get these rocks loaded up. I'm kind of skeptical about this big one, but let's give it a shot. It's not halfway, but this big rock in here really adds some weight to it, so I think we'll call that one good. Ooh, got another fatty in here. Some cool chipped off pieces of bigger rocks. Got some pretty cool colors in here. I don't know if you guys can see that, but he's got some cool color veins. I'm not a rock guy, I don't know what the fuck they're called, so today they're color veins. Load this baby up. Okay, I think that's fairly even. Okay, now we will take the step 1 course. I don't know if you guys can see this, but it's pretty coarse, pretty coarse. So let's put my phone back on my handy dandy phone stand here. Okay, let's get this going. Okay, so it's 1 and 2. 1. Oh, I actually think I messed up, guys. I think it is 1 tablespoon per pound of rocks. So I did not weigh these out. By estimation, I'm guessing they're about 2 pounds per. So I will just do a little bit extra in each one, just in case. And yeah, I will be right back. I'm gonna go get some water. Okay, we got our water. Take my jugs. We got our water. So now, you know what? I'm a little nervous, so I'm gonna throw a little tiny bit extra step 1 in each container. I'm just really nervous because I haven't done this in a long time. I did go online to look for instructions, and I mean they were there, but they were pretty scarce. So we will just do it as we see fit. Got our cap on here. I'll throw the final canister cap, washer, and nut. Don't know how tight that's supposed to be, but get a second one going here. Get all that air out. Washer and nut. No leaks. We're good. Okay, let's load this up. And now for the power. Ta-da! Tumbling rocks, bitch. This is step 1 course. This will run for 7 days, and then we will take a look at the rocks and split them up, see if there's any that need to be thrown in there for longer. And afterwards, of course, step 2, the medium. That will help smooth out and shape them. And then this is the pre-polish. And the step 4 is the final polish. I don't know the exact times for each step. I'm assuming it's a week, but I haven't actually done the research. But we got lots of time to do it now, so. I should have shown you guys what they looked like before they went in, but I guess in the other video I kind of did. So stay tuned and you'll see some shiny ass fucking stones, boy. Now that the rock tumbler is going, we can kind of put that guy off to the side and we can hammer down on the rest of today's fun shit and activities and whatever else we got going on. I think we got to do some log splitting today, and gonna do some dirt bike riding. Trying to learn me something new. Driving a dirt bike. I want to get my motorcycle license next year, so gonna get some practice in on the bike. We often had dirt bikes growing up, but I just was never one of the ones to be on it a whole lot. I was always on the four-wheeler, the quad. So now that I'm 25, I think it's time to learn how to rip one of those little piss missiles. So you guys will see me shredding it later. Just kidding. Far from shredding it. I might shred up the grass from fucking falling too many damn times, but yeah. It'll be fun no matter what.